Well, good morning. So, I called it a night last night. Owen was working the farm I'm gonna plant next. And he told me the odds are good by noon today. It should go. So there's no point in me getting a rip roar to get the planter filled because I'll have to fill my morning in this morning. We have a load of corn going out, and I believe Owen is taking his plane to Waterloo to his other hangar to keep it out of the way for planting season. He keeps it here after planting and before harvest, and he has a different hangar he takes it to, which is a pain in the butt because you gotta drive there to go flying, but until we get more space around here, it's gotta go. We gotta hook up the auger. We're gonna go see Owen quickly and see if he is taking that plane back or not. Yes, Owen is taking it back to Waterloo. I'm gonna hook up the auger, we'll get it set up, we'll go watch him take off, and we'll carry on with the rest of the morning. Already 30. It's not even 8 o'clock yet. Okay, we'll put diesel in this tractor. It's too dirty, I can't plant like that. So we're gonna wash this tractor. We gotta get corn in the planter. See, there's a lineup at the pumps here. Oh, that's much better. Put some corn in it. Hopefully this truck shows up shortly. Just getting set to put corn in and the truck rolls up. That's good, we'll get him loaded. Get him out of here. Keep the day going. But in all reality, corn going out, that's the whole reason why we're planting corn, plus feeding the chickens. Sweet, he's out of here. Load this planter.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, planter is loaded, and you probably seen we are using two different coatings. So this is graphite. This is what lubes my finger pickup. So this is supposed to be a seed coat. It's also graphite, but it's supposed to be all that and then some. It's supposed to be a better root system. So we did 6 rows with the seed coat and 6 rows of just regular graphite. A couple weeks, we'll see if it is all that and then some or not. Okay, Wes is over there. I think he got a bad ground on one of my flashing lights in that planter, so he's gonna get that fixed. It's still early in the morning yet. I don't even know if it's 10 o'clock yet. Just about 10. She's 9:59, so or 9:54. So we got time. Like I said, I probably won't start planting till noon. We're gonna take the loader to the back to my. I got some recycled asphalt. I gotta put in areas like right there in front of the newer storage, just to kind of make things a little bit nicer to drive on in certain areas of the farm. So we're gonna go move that, and Wes is gonna make feed right after he's finished with that light. We need to pull the sunflower out, give it a quick grease my cultivator, and this afternoon I think it's going to be all pieces of equipment moving. And definitely the next couple days I'll get the sprayer going. Okay, so there was just more than just that one pile back there. I got it fluffed out, but basically that's what it looks like when we're done. I've drove on this, like, I did this one a couple days ago, but this is what we're going for. Nice, solid, hard packed. So that'll be nice back there. Actually, gonna hop in my truck, hook up the water wagon, we'll go back there. We'll get a load of water. That way it's ready for the sprayer. I left that open. That's all right, just water. So, this is what we were going for. Nice, good, solid spot so I can park. And this is where I get my water for the sprayer. Okay, water wagon getting full. Still one more job to do before lunch. Just get the sassy massy and the fertilizer wagon hooked to the liquid so it can be a train and head down to the farm. And hopefully by 1 o'clock we'll be planting, but I still have to go and check that field. Owen's back. So, that is our dry fertilizer. That's our liquid wagon. Gonna marry them together again, ready for the day. Will he get on the first shot? I bet you he does. Pretty close. He's a little off, but I can make that work. We're gonna take this down and see what the field's like. It is time. There we go. We have to order more fertilizer, get it coming. but we'll have enough to fill the planter anyways for the first time. Woo! Here we go. So this field has worked, and so this is 50 acres. There's 50 more acres over there we're going to carry on into. So I've ripped this 50, and that 50 there will be no-till. So we'll go right from till to no-till. The reason why I have worked this field is I seen sudden death in this farm last year, and years ago they said, oh, you need the no-till to get rid of sudden death. Well, now they're saying you got to work it, and well, I've been no-tilling it and I have it, so I got nothing to lose. So here we go. Yeah, I'm excited. This is my personal field. This is one of the ones I really love planting. This feels good. It's going in good. Dust is flying. Let's roll. And also, we just got the call that we get to plant peas the next couple days, so that's good. I know I was talking we were going to start with peas, but just the way the year's worked out so far, we haven't got the call until today. So a little corn in first. Owen's going to work some dirt, and we're going to plant those peas. Probably, we'll see if it's ready tomorrow, but we're thinking the following day to make sure it's real nice. We're still plugging away here. So, just like I said 2 seconds ago for you, about an hour ago for me, peas are going to be planted here right shortly. So Owen's working that ground. I just made a phone call. They're going to spread some fertilizer on that ground. I'm going to work that in tomorrow, and hopefully he's going to plant that tomorrow. And then I got 45 acres I can plant tomorrow of corn, and then again, still I'm going to have to wait for the rest of my fields to keep getting fit. It's just things are coming slow, but once it comes, it'll come fast, which we're still getting lots done anyways. It's not a big deal. But the dust is flying. This is good. Isn't that just gorgeous? So yes, there's always lots going on. So yes, I have sent pins to the field to Southwest Ag, so they know where they can spread the fertilizer. Technology is great. You know how to use it, drop a pin, share it to them. That way they don't go to a wrong field. So yeah, you just gotta love technology and how the world works, right? Like, just, you can't live without it. You're pissy when it doesn't work, but when it works, it's awesome. Woo. Good time for a stretch. Fertilizer. They say they came and filled it. It's full. Mike's mixed this. So this is actually a spot where 28 sits. The 3 tanks there. That's ammonium sulfate. We mix it in here. So everything's full. We're good to go for a few acres anyways. So then once I'm done, I'm going to wrap this up. Mike's going to take it over halfway over that way. That way I don't have to drive all the way back here. Oh, there we are. We're going right from our tilled dirt right to our no-tilled dirt. We're going to leave the planter set up the same. You can see over here my coulters, or my shark teeth, are hardly turning, and they are fluffing everything out of the way over on this side. Everything's working good. Oh, tractor's not happy. I'm out of the seat. But so we're gonna keep going. We've got 50 more to go. Just checking back in. She's going in nice. I just filled up with fertilizer for the last time to finish this field. I'm gonna need seed in 10 acres. Owen's just about finished work in the other field, so he's gonna bring me seed, and then hopefully we'll finish this out tonight, and that will be a night. And hopefully tomorrow we'll start planting peas. First fertilizer plug of the year. Let's go get it done. Oh, I hate fertilizer plugs. Makes me mad. Well, hopefully that doesn't keep up all night. Got roughly 10 acres left. Here we go. Away we go. Doesn't look that nice out. They're talking about a little bit of rain, so hopefully we'll finish up. about 15 acres left. So, let's get her done. Oh, there they go. You're right. So they're not chasing on anymore. They're turning. Wonder where they're going. Somebody's having a bad day. Oh, there we are. Out of seed, waiting for Owen to come. We got a little over 12 acres to go. Well, that's pretty well where we're supposed to be, so population's right. Yes, we're out of seed. I backed up because somewhere between here and there it'll be out of seed. So, a quick peekaboo here. Should be able to see. Oh, there's a seed right there. So, right at 2 inches. It's closing nice. It looks good. There you are, right there. So, 2 inches down. So we want to see. So we're in the no-till ground now. So it's closing nice. It's fluffing it up nice. Just patiently waiting for seed now. The seed is here. My mom, my brother, they came. Finish this up. Okay, should be 12 bags, 1 bag for each. All right. Just like that, 12 bags. That'll finish us up. That's the last of this variety. We're just trying this variety. So, quick little wash of the hands. Put our variety in and carry on. There we go. Owen's getting sassy massy home. I'm finishing up, and that's all right for today. We'll rock tomorrow with hopefully peace. Okay, all rows confirm. Let's go. There's the end. It's only 8:43. It's actually gonna be an early night. Should we do it? You know what I'm talking about? Still looks really light out. There's lights on, lights off, lights on. We're gonna keep them off for a little bit just because we can. Everything looks good back there. Let's go. All right, you know what? We're just gonna turn them on, keep them on. There's nobody else out here that I gotta, you know that weird flex that you gotta do? So if you had a neighbor in the field, it would be all the way to the end. Are we gonna turn lights on or not? So I guess I lost because I was playing myself. So playing with myself, not really, but you know what I'm saying. Anyways, lights are on. Let's go. Well, that's a night. Make sure you like, subscribe. Have a good one. Peace.